Today I'm coming at you from near Comox, British Columbia, and behind me is the Nightingale from Orca LGS. What we're looking at here is 16 feet wide, check out that width, by 50 feet long for a total footprint of 800 square feet. And this home comes in either a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom model or a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom model. And I don't actually know what this one is because I haven't been inside yet. You might be sitting there wondering, well, why is it sitting up like this? It looks like it's ready to move, and you are absolutely correct. This is shipping out of here tomorrow morning at, I think, 3 or 5 a.m. I believe they have to be off the road by 6. So this is an interesting situation where I get to see it now, and then I get to see it get craned onto a foundation tomorrow morning. So if you want to see that process, get on the subscribe button right now because it's going to be a different video completely. What I thought we'd do today is take a quick tour around the outside. I'll talk about some of the features on the Nightingale, then we'll duck inside, and then yes, I will talk about the price. So let's get started. Starting at the end wall, the first thing you might notice is the metal siding. That's a standing seam metal siding. They've got a window right here. That looks to be a window that'll sit above a bed. So I'm guessing this is a bedroom. They got an exterior door there and a second window if that is in fact the bedroom. One thing you'll notice as we get closer to the middle of the home is they've got this cedar siding here, but if we get closer and give it a little tap, that is actually a metal siding as well. So something kind of cool. People like the fire resistance of metal, so rather than have the cedar accent, you can get a similar look but still do it in a metal siding, and that's exactly what they've done here. Right down the middle of the home, excuse the shadow, they've got this huge sliding glass door that opens up into the kitchen and living room. And as we continue down this way, these two windows, I'm guessing, are going to be into the second bedroom. We'll have a quick look at the end of the home, check out the roof line, and then we'll go inside. So yeah, similar window on this side right there, guessing that's going to be above the bed. And they've got the shed roof, which gives it a modern look. I am very excited to see this property that it's going to. No idea what it is, no idea where it is, or how the home will sit, but once it's actually on a property and we can see what the surroundings are, everything just starts to make a little bit more sense. So you can see what views are out, what windows, and just, you know, stuff like that. So I'm gonna come in this door because it is the only door that has stairs right now, and just gonna make things a little bit easier and hopefully flow a little bit smoother. So here's the first look at the kitchen. What's jumping out at me is they've got the different colored lower cabinets and island compared to the upper natural wood looking cabinets, which I kind of like. That's the same in the home that I'm staying in. So it's kind of a gray lower cabinet, and then I don't know what, maybe that's a maple up top, but I like the combo. So as we come into the kitchen, you'll see a couple banks of drawers on either side of the stove. Top being the shallowest, and then two lower pots and pans drawers, let's call them. It's going to be the same on this side right there, and they've got a single door cabinet on the left hand side, which would be perfect for any kitchen appliances. Up above you can see 3 cabinets right here. Let's have a look. Yep, those are cabinets. And then above the stove, smaller one, 2 more doors over here with the same amount of shelves as the other side. These are actually quite tall. So I'm 6'2". That's me reaching for the top shelf where mama keeps the cookie jar. Stupid. Okay, here's the fridge opening. No appliances in yet. They probably wanted to get their own. So let's have a look at the island. They've got the same 3-door cabinet or 3-door bank of drawers there. They've got the 2-sided sink, stainless steel, storage underneath. And then they've got an opening here for dishwasher. I'm not sure why that blanked, but yeah, that's where the dishwasher goes. Looking this way, first look at where I would put the TV, somewhere on that wall right there. And if I pan a little bit to the left, we will see what appears to be a coat closet, and I think half of it will be a coat closet, but if we look over there, they do have hookups for a washer dryer. To me, it looks like this is going to be a stacking washer dryer, and then half will be used for storage or a coat closet, really whatever they want. It's their house. We will continue down this direction. There's the window that I mentioned. So yeah, the bed would go here. You can see they've got plugs on either side of where the bed will go. And there's the window off the side wall. Then across the room, they've got a closet here, and this is a door that I haven't opened yet. Oh, there we go. Hot water tank. Who would have guessed? Let's head back down the other way. So check out all the natural light into this living room. That's basically a full wall of glass right there. We've got a window in what is likely the main entrance right there. Someone's calling me. And then check out these three windows that continue down the hall towards the bathroom. So it looks as though this is the one bathroom version of the Nightingale. So in the bathroom, they've got a nice big vanity here, lots of countertop. You've got the bank of drawers, similar to the kitchen, and under sink storage there. Toilet with a little cabinet up above, glass shower with a full tile job on it. Looks nice. All right, the final bedroom in the Nightingale is on this side. So we've got the two windows that I mentioned there, and there is the window that sits above the bed. We will have a quick look into the closet, but we've seen closets before, right? So no real surprises in that one. As I head back down towards the living space, we'll get one last look there. I will talk about the pricing. So the base price on this one starts at $320,000 Canadian. I don't have the USD conversion handy off the top of my head, but I will put it somewhere on the screen because I know people are going to be curious. Here's a look at the floor plan, and as you can see, it's what you just saw, just in floor plan form. I know a lot of people like to see the floor plan on screen, so drink it in. If you need more time with the plan, feel free to drop a like on the video and then pause it here because I am moving on. There you have it, folks, the Nightingale from Orca LGS that will be shipping out of here tomorrow morning. Don't forget, if you want to check the crane video, subscribe to the channel, hit notifications, and it'll pop up. That way you won't miss it. That is it for me here near Comox on a sweltering day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tour. We'll see you in the next one.